Ribosomes are tiny cell organelles. These little structures are extremely important for the cell. Let's study about these little creatures today. Hello students, welcome to Poonam's classroom. So, what are ribosomes? Ribosomes are extremely small, rounded bodies which help in the process of protein synthesis. They are found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. They do not have any membrane. They are composed of ribonucleic acid, that is RNA, and proteins. So, they are extremely small and they do not have any membrane. They are made up of RNA and protein, and they are found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. This is a cell. Can you see these small dots in the cytoplasm? These are nothing but ribosomes. In eukaryotic cells, ribosomes are also found attached on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. This gives the endoplasmic reticulum rough appearance, and thus endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes attached on the surface are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Although ribosomes are found both in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, they are different. In prokaryotes, the ribosome is 70S, and in eukaryotes, the ribosome is 80S. Now, what is this S? S is Sedberg unit. Higher S means heavier and obviously bigger. So, eukaryotic ribosome that are 80S are bigger than the prokaryotic ribosomes which are 70S. This is the structure of a ribosome. It has two subunits. One of them is the bigger subunit and the other one is the smaller subunit. And as I have told you earlier, the main function of ribosome is protein synthesis. Do you know where these ribosomes are made? We have discussed in the previous videos. If you know the answer, let me know in the comment. Proteins basically perform almost all functions of our body. Thus, proteins are important, and the organelle that synthesizes protein, that is ribosome, is also very important. So, these are like chota packet bada dhamaka, little creatures but very important. There is lot to know about ribosome, but for class 9 this is enough. Ribosome was discovered by George E. Palade in 1955, and he got Nobel Prize for his work in 1974. So this is what you need to know about ribosome at your standard. I will stop here today. Please watch the other videos of this chapter. You will really enjoy them. And if you like them, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. See you soon.